that Tony Bishop was not the original import selected by Meralco, but ended up playing there. This gentleman was the original import ng Meralco. Chris Newsom guarding Shabazz here, and Shabazz with a really tough shot.
You know, left-handed jump hook. Alex wins and 4 no assists, diba? So isang laro na lang yan. So want to get to win number 7. Yeah.
Who else? Chris Ross. Here's Shabazz Muhammad. Puts it up and in.
2 more steals. Matatay na niya si Coach Sonny Jaworski. That's nice lay-in. Pagmula kay very much in control of this ball. Ganda naman ang sign the finish. Pagmula kay Muhammad.
The pace picking up here in the second period, Jolly.
Yes, sir.
This free throw is brought to you by Solaire Online. Experience the excitement of live gaming on any device.
Aaron Black.
Look at the ball handling skills there of Shabazz Muhammad, getting all the way to the cup for 2. And that inches the San Miguel Beermen closer.
Showing us why.
Maraming salamat, Miss Apple. And here's Banquero denied by Shabazz Muhammad. 3. Here's Junmar over to Shabazz for 2. I mean, Junmar Fajardo, one of the best passing big men I've seen.
That's with his offhand style. Yung kanyang kanang kamay, kaliwete ito. Nice basket naman mula kay Shabazz, pero obviously he can have just straight baskets with
Vic Manuel going all the way to the cup. Not that time. Shabazz with the putback.
Terrific trail job, Jeez.
It's only a 12-point advantage, Jolly. This was 24. Back to Muhammad for 3. Got it! That's a big-time shot, Shabazz Muhammad. To Jericho Cruz has made his way back into the ballgame. And Shabazz Muhammad, once again, doing damage down low.
Just relentless, no? This white is...
He attacks once again, puts it up and in. It's hard to stop him.
Yeah. Hesitation. Kasi itong mga players can easily give you 30 minutes. Wow, Shabazz. Ito na, 7 na lang, partner. 36 at 34 nung first and second quarter. 70 points nung halftime na pinag-usapan.
Shabazz, deep 3, got it!
Wow. That was about 4 feet away from the arc.
Yeah, that's within his range. Steal, and it's back with San Miguel. Here comes Shabazz Muhammad, and he completes the layup and gets the foul.
Those 5 points were like in a span of like 6.
He completes it. Banquero. Terence over to Shabazz, wide open for that triple. I mean, that's automatic. It's been automatic in this ball game.
Did I say somebody's going for 40? I meant 50.
He said, what? Meralco scored 70 points at the break? That's cute. Hold my beer. let me go for 70 as well.
Ito na naman si Shabazz. Oh, my
goodness. It's getting ridiculous. They just can't stop him. And now San Miguel with the lead.
Basket, my friend. Meron na ba nag-50 sa conference na to? Ito pala.
I believe he's the only one.
Oh, my goodness.
And the rebound will end up with Shabazz Muhammad! You gotta be kidding me!
Go ahead, basket.
He misses both free throws, gets his own rebound, and puts it in. And gives the San Miguel Beermen. And that's it. The San Miguel Beermen are going to come away with this win. What a fantastic comeback. Down 24 at the break.
Big Mo is going nuts over there. Let's remind them, Gino, they were down by 24. Beermen were down.